Let's talk about a man called Job in the Bible and learn from his lifestyle. Job was a righteous man. He feared God and lived uprightly. He was blessed with family, wealth, and honor. But in a single moment, Job lost his children, his possessions, and later his health. No warning, no explanation. Question for reflection.
What do you do when everything you prayed for all gone within a twinkling of an eye? This is the story of Job.
Job's faith was tested. Job sat in pain and ashes, while those around him questioned his faith. His friends insisted he must have done something wrong. But Job had one question of his own.
Why does this hurt when I have done right?
Yet in his confusion, Job refused to curse God. Job said in Job chapter 1, verse 21, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." Moral lesson 1. Faith is not based on comfort. Faith is not proven when life is easy, but when life makes no sense. Sometimes God is not punishing you. He is refining you. Moral lesson 2. God is silent, not absent. God did not explain himself to Job immediately, but he was present the entire time. Silence does not mean abandonment. Question for reflection. Have you mistaken God's silence for his absence? Job's turning point. At the appointed time, God restored Job, not just what he lost, but double. His story ended with joy because he held on in the darkness. Moral lesson 3. Endurance produces reward. Pain has an expiration date, but faith produces eternal reward. Those who endure will see God's hand. In conclusion, you may not understand what you are going through, but God does.